All right, let's get back to this. So it's always helpful to turn the steering wheel where you can get to this easier. There's the Brembo. So this is stock for an Audi TTRS. It actually comes with pretty hefty brakes. I'll see if I can put this where we can see what's going on. Let's see if that'll hold it. Probably not. Alright, that might be the way to go. So we got to get these pins off. I just use a sort of a pointed thing and just tap it out. It also helps to push that in, and then you just got to work it. Comes up against that bumper there. It's good to have some pliers. Try to work it out. There it goes. This pops out. Spring. So this metal, this pin has like a sleeve. You see, I don't know if you see that sleeve right there. That's what catches the pin, keeps it in place. And then the bottom one should come out a lot easier because the spring's not holding it in place. There it goes. And then now you can, what I'm actually going to do is try to pry these out. Pliers, the big ones with the big jaws, so this will do for now. So just to get the brake calipers to go flat, sort of squeeze as much as you can. And then this side. Like so. The brake fluid was recently changed, so it's still pretty fresh. So these are the old pads. These are track pads from Hawk. So one thing I'm going to do is try to sand the discs just a little bit, just to clean them up. And then I got these Hawks are the right ones for this car. I don't know if you see that. They're, again, it's just strictly for track. Let me see if I could show you what the difference is of the thickness. Looking for my scissors here. This was all, it lasted me literally 2.5 days on the track. A total of, what, 10 sessions maybe at the most, or 8. So here's the new ones. I don't know, they're the old ones. So, I don't know, you can probably, you know, actually these are not that bad. Really, I might just leave them on. I hate to take them off yet. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just put these back, actually. I hate to waste them. They're not cheap. I'm just being a little OCD and paranoid. But so the way you put them back is opposite of the way you took them off. Still pretty easy though. Pretty clean overall. They literally just slide right in like so, and like so. And then I put the bottom pin in. Actually, maybe easier to put the top pin in to get past that wiggly thing. And then you could tap that end in. Until the sleeve goes in and you'll see it where it goes in there. Get it past that. That's it. Then you put the retaining spring clip, whatever you want to call it, and then slip this side. So it's good to sort of work with it a little bit. There it goes. And then you tap these in. So that's it. Check your fluids, and you are good. Easy peasy. Don't mess with the caliper otherwise. Good to go.